Hey guys! For today's video, I will be showing you a simple way on how you can create a magic ring. To begin, go ahead and take your yarn. Lay it on your pointer and middle finger, and using your thumb, hold the end between your middle finger and thumb. Then, wrap the working yarn around your two fingers. Wrap it around again, making sure you form an X, just like this. Then, once you flip your hand towards the other side, you will see two loops form. Grab the working yarn and hold it between your pinky and ring finger. Then you will have something like this. Go ahead and grab your crochet hook. With the hook facing down, place it under the first loop and over the second loop. Pull the second loop through the first loop and twist the hook upwards just like this. Then use the hook to grab the working yarn that was previously in between your pinky and ring finger. Then pull that loop through. Once you're done, you can then take your hands off the yarn and you will have your magic ring. In order to hold your magic ring, you can take your pointer finger and place it under the working yarn just like this. Use your ring finger and pinky to pin the yarn down towards your palm, and use your ring finger and thumb to hold the magic ring just like this. You can slightly pull towards your pointer finger in order to increase the tension. Then you can start adding single crochets into your magic ring just like this. To close your magic ring, pull on this part of the yarn while holding on to this part. Pull tightly until the hole closes. And there you have it! You have now started your first round inside your magic ring.